All right, good afternoon, traders. This is your free video from seasonalswingtrader.com. As you can see from the chart right here, we are looking at September OJ, September frozen concentrate orange juice, and this contract got a lot of notoriety in the movie Trading Places back from the 80s, if you recall that. So looking at frozen OJ, this is a market that has been pretty weak here. This contract looks weak because we moved over from the July contract to the September contract as we are lining up for possible play to the upside in September. So the liquidity will be moving out of the July as that contract rolls off the board and moves into the September. And looking here at the 3 and 5 year price averages here, the 3 in green, the 5 in red, you can see historically on a price average basis, we've moved higher going into the late summer months. Now down here at the bottom in the dark blue and the red lines, those are the 10 and 15 year price trends. So the blue here, the blue mountains are the 10-year price trend, and the red line, the 15-year average price trend. So you can see that we do have possibilities to dip a bit lower right around the end of the month or early part of July. So looking to maybe form a bottom down here, could work our way lower. Ideally, would love to see these prices move a bit lower and give us a good value entry at the end of June and early into July for this seasonal pop. Also, we'll be looking for confirmed valid chart bottoming formations such as a double bottom, 1, 2, 3 bottom, something of that nature, or some type of rounding out combined with technical analysis. If we look over at the weekly and monthly charts here, you can see too that we are right around here in this 130 level. Now, again, we would like to see a retest back to these old support levels here in 2015, going back to 2012, and so on. So not looking to get long now. The market may not reach these levels that we are looking for, and we could get the seasonal bounce early. But just for some points of reference on the price action, keep these levels in mind. And then if we look at the monthly here, this is an interesting little case study. These red circles are the moves in June and July going back in time. So you can see here, going back to 2009 and even onward, seasonally, the price action has historically moved to the upside, so that would confirm with what we viewed on the seasonality price and trend averages. So you can see here, this is what we're looking at, bounces in June and July going into the late summer months. We look over at a live chart here, you can see the July contract. We're focusing on the July right now before we move to the September, but any options plays or futures plays will be in the September contract. So here you can see today we're still hanging around this level here, and again waiting for a trend line break along with a seasonal lineup for us to get long. So if you want to join our community, please feel free to take a trial. Click on the links above or below depending on where you're viewing this, and we hope to see you on the inside. Traders, like what you see, want more trade ideas each week? Take a $7 30-day complete member access trial by clicking the link below. You'll have immediate access to analysis and seasonal trade ideas on over 35 commodity and currency futures markets, as well as coverage on all of the major stocks, exchanges, and ETFs in the U.S. marketplace. If you like us, follow us on Twitter and Facebook, like us on YouTube, and we hope to see you on the inside.